What is this track? Turn that off, man. That's nothing but cap. This the old flow.
What is this trap? Turn that off. That's nothing but lies. That's nothing but cap. Like, that never make no sense. That doesn't make no sense. Like the K in a knife. 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 Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. And today, guys, we are here with Digga D, AJ Tracey bringing it back. Yes, that is what we're reacting to today. Not sure how much of it me I gonna get right, cause you don't know me have problem breaking down Digga D lyrics, cause they might use some different language that I'm not familiar with. But you don't know if I make a error or I said something wrong, please put it in the comment section for me, guys, please. And also, guys, I just want to thank each and every one of you for helping the channel get into 3,000 subscribers in such a short space of time, guys. Only started the channel in September, 23rd of September to be exact, 2020. We're in 2021 now and it's at 3,000. So thank you very much. I appreciate everyone I know. Big up the new artists them also that's been reaching out for them songs to be featured on the channel. There's been a lot of you guys. Big up the new artists them. I will be doing the new artists songs them. New artist song them also. Just bear in mind that that there is a contribution that needs to be paid to the channel. So you don't know to keep the thing going. You don't know. So big up on yourself. I appreciate each and every one that's been reaching out. And I'll be reacting and giving my honest opinion. So if you know your song is not good, do not link me. Cause after me finish, you're gonna vex with me. You're gonna be vexed. Anyway, let's jump into this one and see what is going on. Digga D, AJ Tracey, let's go. Put this on. Yeah, put on my social. So follow my social. It's running across the screen right now. Alright, let's go.
Yo, this the old flow, man's bringing it back. Pass the soda, let me turn it to crack.
This the old flow, man's bringing it back. Pass the soda, let me turn it to the crack. Guys, I do pause every 10 seconds, so if you're new here, this is what we do here. If you don't like it, disappear. Rhymes. I got bars. I told Chip I got bars. You think I'm joking?
Hey yo, it's the old flow, man's bringing it back. Wrap the tracks up, I'm cleaning up crack.
Tracey, my whole team getting bread and you know that. Fact.
And the first time I listened to AJ Tracey, first him jumping, him say, yo, him whole team I get bread. Not him alone, no. Him whole team. Everybody have them own little role of them play. Everybody get them bread. Big up himself.
I put the old packages flow back. If she ain't new, then she can't get a throwback. No way. I don't follow back chicks and they know that. I came true with 21 tugs in black and I let the thing bleed like Kodak.
And the first time I listen to AJ Tracey, why is it the first time I'm listening to his song? Why is it? Yo.
If she stepped in with me, gotta hold that.
Yo, I bring that net, start flow back, throwback, no cap, that pat's low fat, Kodak. My man won't get his crow back, none of his dough back, I don't give no jack.
This is the reason why I like reacting to Digga D, but I don't like reacting to Digga D. Make sense? Yeah, this is the reason why. Cause some things that the brother here chat, me not understand what I say. But this is why you guys are in the comment section to help me out to see what he's saying. Alright, so let's go again.
3-9 stamp sign, bro, post that. This two chairman got it off pole that. Don't give no chat and have no what when man snap a gang like I'm Kodak.
When man snap a gang like I'm Kodak. So the Kodak camera snap. Yeah, I get that part. Digga D, thank you. Thank you. You said something that I understand. Thank you. I understand that. Thank you.
Talk the food for the kids like Boris. And now
Rewind. Let's go again.
Have no what when my snap a gang like I'm Kodak.
I locked up the food for the kids like Boris. And now I let it go like Rashford. 3 SQ, 3 Shanks, that's standard.
I locked up the food for the kids like Boris Johnson, Prime Minister. Okay, lock up food. All the food get locked up as now. Can somebody explain to me that now? The school meal for the kids. Boris never want to give the people them that needed, the kids them that needed it, school meals. So he must say him lock up the food for the kids like Boris, but him let it go like Rashford. So Rashford has been campaigning for the kids and for get them free school meal. all through. Yeah, big up Rashford, man. Baller.
Feds take the man, them got the block angered. Stepped in the door, sat down, got pampered. Big back gal, enough weight, she's anchored. Dot chop to a half length, it's tampered.
Big back girl. She's pop, yo, yeah, you know them love the big butty girl, you see me? Yeah, big up the ladies them who watch your channel, big up themselves, ladies.
But he don't crumble, now he's in the backwards.
Slap that PR, saw them crouch. If you say them shots like my man did, pronounce, I won't hear ouch.
Alright, PR. What is, when?
Slap that PR, saw them crouch. If you say them shots like my man did, pronounce, I won't hear ouch. Been about, the ops can vouch. Been around, bring the glocks them out.
I've been about, the apps can vouch for me. I've been a nemesis to the society. I've been making move on the apps. The apps can vouch for you. Where was the whereabouts on the 9th of the 6th, 19, whatever. I was there, actually apps them. I was on them block, mashing it up. Basically, that him say yes, sir. Let's go.
Lift it up, lit the pagans down. Right, fire. I feel like a clown, but you know what I mean when I make man drown. Had a plug.
Lift it up and knock the pagans down. Lift the pagans down. You see me? So anytime him lift up the tall thing, them come. You see me? Man a drop. Pagans a drop. Apps them a drop. That's what I mean there, so. You see me? Yeah. Let's go.
100 waps. Me and AJ 2 8-piece facts. More than 100 racks. Daps, Digga, shorty on tap.
Me and AJ got 100. Oh gosh. I try my best to avoid Digga D's songs to react to breakdown. But Digga D just get the views. Digga D is just that guy where you have to react, brother. Me rate Digga D, but I just can't understand some of Digga D say. Digga D, sorry, me G. Yeah, me G. You know that you're me G, brother, but some of them, yeah, it's not like, let's go, man.
Molly, lean, crack. I get that gun, bring the stats, then back. Yeah. What is this track? Turn that off, man. That's nothing but cap. This the old flow.
What is this trap? Turn that off. That's nothing but lies. That's nothing but cap. Like, that never make no sense. That doesn't make no sense. Like the K in a knife. 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 That don't make no bomber clad sense. Like, it don't make no sense, brother. Turn it off. That's how Digga D say. It don't make no sense. Turn it off. AJ again. Let's go, AJ.
Man's bringing it back. Like the Yola, man's bringing it back. Wrap the tracks up, I'm cleaning up crack. Used to fly packs, I'm giving up packs.
This the old flow, man's bringing it back.
Like the chorus. It's the old flow, them I bring it back. So if that's the old flow, what is the new flow? Cause this seems all new to me. Like, you know, this seems all new to me. What is the old flow? Like this are the old flow? Okay.
Like the Yola, man's bringing it back. Pass the soda, let me turn it to crack. Motorola, 2 phones in the trap.
Motorola. Hello, Motorola. 2 phones in the trap. You don't know, so you can't use your main phone for trapping. You have to use your little, you know? So 2 phones on the trap. Trapping and go on. Let's go.
On my teeth. Now I got plaques on my wall. Jeez.
Whoa. Okay. Let me get that part there.
Motorola, 2 phones in the trap. In cunt, had plaques on my teeth. Now I got plaques on my wall. Jeez.
What I'm saying, man? Yeah, more and get that part there right, guys. Sorry if you keep bringing it back, but more and get that part there right.
Track. Motorola, 2 phones in the trap. In cunt, had plaques on my teeth. Now I got plaques on my wall. Jeez.
Did he say in country had plaques on his teeth? Into something about plaque on his teeth. But just before teeth, into something else. I begin with C, but when I get to him, say, leave it in the comment section where him say that, so. But not him have plaques on him wall, so he's selling so much records, him have plaque on him wall, not on him teeth.
Play with dogs and end up with fleas. Run up on me, might end up the seas. 40 on the whip, no lease. 2 40s in the whip with beams.
Play with... My granny used to tell me, you lie down with dog, you must catch flea. Watch who you lie down with. Man say, yo, don't ramp yourself, brother. Don't ramp yourself. He might tell you where I travel with. He might tell you when I'm care, how powerful them care is. He might give it to you all. Take a sip. Smile. Take a sip. Let's go.
Please, babes, ease. Shorty when I drop on her knees.
Feds got a plan on goal to get me. I was in yard like that, she get me.
Okay, AJ. First Digga D said she was on her knees. Then AJ said the feds tried to get him, but it was in the yard like Daps. The only Daps that they are Jamaica are Dexter Daps. So Dexter Daps always in the ghetto. Dexter Daps always they are Sea View Gardens. So if that's what he mean, big up yourself. Yeah, refer to the
Shorty when I drop on her knees.
Feds got a plan on goal to get me. I was in yard like daps, you get me. I was OT trying to hide from the X3. I want to cop another Pepsi, they won't let me.
I was OT trying to hide from the X3. So the X3 are where the cops them a drive then. The X3 are where the cops them a drive and I try to get a hold of AJ, but AJ are doing things, I avoid them.
Drop kicks, 2 subs, 2 APs, 2 magnums, 2 rounds, 2 babies, 2 large fries, 2 breasts, 2 gravies, 2 hand things, 2 cars, 2 crazy.
2 are everything. 2 are everything. The man have no singular. Be a pew. 2 are everything. 2 are everything, dog. You hear the man say, I have 2 are everything, brother. Yo, me never pull it back.
180, 2 days, it's crazy. 2 4 5s and 1 380. Chain and bracelet, had it at 18. Had me on basic, guns didn't rate me.
Yo, them full of guns. Them full of guns like US Army. You ever think the man them say them have? The man them full of guns, brother. Yo, let's go.
Pay me if that gal want taste me, lol. Yeah, I'm feisty, I ain't no patty. She cool man taste me. Telly ain't tappy, he's moving shaky.
Oh my god, these guys are fucking fried my brain. Them a fry my brain, dog. Them a fry my brain.
Lol. Yeah, I'm feisty, I ain't no patty. She cool man taste me. Telly ain't tappy, he's moving shaky.
I brought my winger back home like Spurs. My kettle collection's water.
I brought my winger back home like Spurs. Which winger did Spurs, the Tottenham Hotspurs bring back home? Gareth Bale? Bale him attack? Is Bale a winger? But they even follow football now, so I don't know if Bale a winger, you know.
Get caught up and you might get burst. One day streams that'll pay man's hearse. Little shorty with a mashing purse. It could be mine, it could be hers.
Little shorty with a matching purse. It could be mine, it could be hers.
Ooh, job that's not a man can curse. Man's health get worse if I cross that nurse.
This the old flow, man's bringing it back. Like the Yola, man's bringing it back.
Yeah, like that answer. That's about.
Let me turn it to crack. Motorola, 2 phones in a track.
This the old flow, man's bringing it back. Like the Yola, man's bringing it back. Wrap the tracks up, I'm cleaning up crack.
But like how the man might enjoy themselves. They might enjoy themselves, dog, in the video. They might have a good time. They might connect the chemistry right, the video right, the song right, the melody right, everything right. So I mean, like you just enjoy yourself. And it's the old flow man bringing it back. Yeah. Some of that the man again.
Man's bringing it back. Like the Yola, man's bringing it back. Pass the soda, let me turn it to crack. Motorola, 2 phones in a track.
This the old flow, man's bringing it back. Like
Digga, you can dance a little bit. Out of Digga and Chip. Which one can dance better? But I know.
the Yola, man's bringing it back. Wrap the tracks up, I'm cleaning up crack. Used to fly packs, I'm giving up plats.
Well, other man, which one can dance better? I think I reacted to Chingy already. It's whatever. I did react to Chingy. It's over my head. I did react to it already. So check out the channel if you want to see that one there.
AOD?
Yo, who can dance better? Him or Chip? Leave it in the comment section. Okay, two of them can dance. Two of them have 2 left foot. But in the full of lyrics, in the full of bars, big up for yourself. Leave it dancing to somebody else. Not you guys. But yeah, we're not doing the things. Big up on yourself. Big up AJ Tracey as well. Fire, brother. Fire are the first me react to one of your song them. Big up Digga himself. Guys, big up on yourself. Thank you guys for being here. I appreciate the wait and every one now. Let's keep the channel going. 2021, let's just grow the channel. Let's get to realistic. Let's say 20k this year. 20k. What do you think? That's possible? I know. 20k this year? I think that's possible, guys. Come on, I think that's possible. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for being here, and I'll see you guys in the next reaction, which will be right after this. Let's go.